Welcome to online classes students. So today in our EVS class we are going to start our objective type question. Why? Because we are going to start our revision. Revision for which side? Revision for our unit test 2. In the assessment 2 there are two exams. Okay. So first one is you have done that, the first one, the unit 1. Now there is unit 2, which means there are two tests, right? This one is for September month. Let's start the revision, students. Now in the revision, what we have to learn? We have to learn through the lesson. Okay. So you can open your book, EVS book, right? Now I'm also going to open it. Open your 8 and 9 chapter, because all questions are taken by, okay, these. So first one is the plants and their leaves. Okay. Now let's revise it. Okay. So you can see here that plants with thick trunk, they have a thick trunk. Which kind of plants having thick trunk? So open your page number 58. Plants with thick trunks called tree. What they call? They call tree. So which option is correct? A. So when if this kind of question will come, you have to take on A, right? On this one. So students, remember this, that where we have to show them this one, okay? The T one. So I hope so. This one is easier to show, that tree. And now the second one is, which kind of plants have a long lifespan? So you can open your page number 58. So they have long lifespan. Who having long lifespan? The tree is having long lifespan. So we will take on tree. Okay. So this one is tree. Second answer is A. And you can go through this one, that I have a woody stem. Who I am. Right? Who I am. Then we will continue with this. Okay. Who I am. Shrubs, plants that are smaller than trees, have thin body, woody stems, are called shrub. So, shrubs are who I am. Who I am is, I have a thin body. Shrubs have thin body and woody stems. So, we will click on C. Okay, students. So, here we are. And now, there is, which kind of plants are smaller than trees? Which kind of plants are smaller than trees? Plants that are smaller than trees are shrubs. So again we will take on C, because shrubs are that plants which are smaller than trees. Okay. So we can see that other thing we have to see here. So students, we have done our fourth one. So let's start with the fifth one. Which type of plants are mint and organo? Which kind of plant it is? So as we have opened our book, right, page chapter number 8. So from the chapter number 8, you can see which type of plants have mint and organo. Come to herbs, where the mint example, mint and organos. That is herbs. So you can write here herbs, right? So very simple. You can take herbs. Okay. Now students, which kind of plants add flavors to food? Which kind of plants add flavors to food? That is tree. Is that tree can give flavors to food? No. Neem? No. Coriander? Yes. Coriander we use usually in our food for flavor. So this one is right answer, which means C are right answer. Now, dash are usually cultivated in states like Karnataka and Maharashtra. In which state what is cultivated, we have learned in our chapter 8, page number 78, that apples are usually cultivated in Kashmir and Himachal. Bananas are usually cultivated in Karnataka and Maharashtra. So which kind of fruit cultivated in Karnataka and Maharashtra? Bananas, right? So the C answer is correct. Now, eighth one is plants with very weak stems are called, which having a weak stem? Creepers, right? So the C answer, C is correct, because tree having long span time, they have strong stems, and herbs are woody, short in lifespan, but they are just like tree, they having woody stems. Climbers are lighter, higher than the creeper. So only the creeper having very weak stem. So remember this one, okay? Now the next is plants help in dash the soils. What they do? Plants help in conserving, plants help in health the soils, selling the soils, or none. So the answer is first, conserving. Plants help in conserving the soil. Okay? Which means to saving the soils. Plants are doing that. Now come to next one. 10. Plants provide us dash, fiber and medicine. We have to fill the blank. So which one is perfect word to fill that blank? Wood, cloth, eyes, or none. We have to choose the one. So which one is correct? Wood, cloth, or eyes, or none. So which one is correct? First one is correct, because plant provide us wood. Okay. So here is wood. I know some people think that clothes are also take by the plants, but students, that is, very practically we can think about it. But if we go to through the chapter, the wood is the right answer. Okay. Now, which kind of tree are usually cultivated in Uttar Pradesh? Which kind of trees are cultivated in Uttar Pradesh? Apples. If the apples are cultivated in Himachal Pradesh and the bananas are cultivated in Karnataka and Maharashtra, so which one is left? Mangoes, right? So the answer is mangoes. Mangoes are usually cultivated in Uttar Pradesh and Bihar. Mango and West Bengal also share this, and Bihar is also sharing this. Which tree known as tree of life? Which kind of tree known as the tree of life? Apple, banana, or baobab? It's baobab. Okay. So the first A is correct. Now, which tree can grow 360 feet or more? Which kind of tree it is? We should know now that which kind of tree it is. Mangoes or apple or redwood or none? Which one is true? Which one is the right answer of this 13 question? Mangoes, apple, redwood or none? It's redwood. Okay. So we will take on redwood. C answer is right. Now, dash is the tallest tree in the world. Which one is known as the tallest tree in the world? Redwood. Okay. We learn about them now that they are special trees. Why they are special trees? Because the redwood is the tallest tree in the world. Okay, and it can grow 360 feet and more. And baobab is known as the tree of life because it can store approximately 1 lakh liter water in it. Okay, in itself. So now this one is, I am 250 years old Indian tree. Who am I? Which one is old Indian tree? Where it is located? We learn in our chapter, right, on page number 60. We can see the great banyan tree located in Kolkata is over 250 years old. So which tree is 250 years old? Banyan tree, right? It's banyan tree. So we can choose here banyan tree. Okay, C is the right answer. Leaves get their green color from dash. From which they get green color? Is it that they take from sunlight or roots or none? Or chlorophyll, from which they can get their green color? Okay. Now you can see on page number 61, most leaves get their green color from chlorophyll. From which they are getting their color? From chlorophyll they are getting colors. Okay, so here the B answer is correct. Now, students, during the autumn plants turn dry. During the autumn season, what the plants do? They turn red or green or none or dry. Which one is true? So here is the thing which we can learn from our book is on page number 61. The answer is here. During spring season they remain fresh and green, while during autumn season they turn dry and their colors fade into brown and yellow. What they do now? They do dry. The plants turn dry. Okay. So the 17th answer is C. Okay. Dry. Now, which kind of process the plants make their food? Which kind of process they make their food? So if you want to remember this one, so you can open your page number 60. Second paragraph after great banyan tree, right? Leaves. So here is they make food for the plant through the process of photosynthesis. Okay, so which one is the correct answer for us? By which process the plants make their food? There are so many options: chlorophyll, sunlight, photosynthesis. So where we have to click? We have to click on C, because this is one the process where when they make their food. Okay. Now we have done this 18th one. Now come to here. Correct me. These words are given to us and we have to write in a correct manner. Okay, because it having a meaning. So which one is correct? So you can see here which words it is written. The last one is J, then A, S, M, I, N, E, right? So we can see in which words these spellings are done. So you can see on the first one JASMINE. So this one is correct. So we are going to tick on this. Okay, so which one is the correct answer? Jasmine is the correct answer. Now student, the vein center of a leaf. Now we all know that the picture of that leaf where we know that the body part of plants, midrib, vein, leaf, blade, right? So in the center of the leaf, which kind of thing come? Which vein is come? That is midrib. Okay. In the center of plant, there is midrib. So this one, A1 is correct. Okay. Now, which species are known as tiny organisms? Which one is known as tiny? Jasmine, ermine, okay, canine and bacteria. Which known as small tiny organisms? That is bacteria. So, students, we have done our 21 questions. Other question we will do it in next class. We will do our all the questions related to our chapter 8 and 9. Thank you, students.